This is a 2017 Chevy Tahoe Premier, 4-wheel drive. It's got the chrome 20-inch rims. See the running boards, they have the chrome accent. Backup camera, reverse parking sensors, rear cross traffic alert. It's got the tow package on it, and it has an upgraded aftermarket trailer brake controller added to it for the tow package. Got the chrome roof rails, proximity entry, all 4 doors. Projector beam headlights, LED daytime running lights. And then you can see the HID headlights there. It's a non-smoker. Backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, Bluetooth, built-in navigation. It has the safety alert seat, forward collision with automatic braking, park assist, rear cross traffic alert, lane change alert, and then on the side mirror you have the little car with the star. That is the blind spot detection. 52,000 miles. Cruise control. Heated steering wheel. There's your collision alert button. Rain sensing wipers. Automatic headlights. 4-wheel drive. Power adjustable pedals. Lane change alert. You also have a power adjustable steering column here. Up top, ONSTAR auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your garage door opener, power lift gate, LED map lights. This also has the tri-zone automatic climate control system, heated and vented seats for the front, and heated second row seats. 2 USB and a 12 volt. See on top here you have a wireless charging pad here, and then your key has built-in remote start. Looking at the door, child locks for the windows and doors here, power windows, power folding side mirrors, driver memory package, Bose audio, got the floor mats in, power driver seat as well as passenger, black leather. Second row captains. There's the floor mats for their seats as well. You got a 110 volt port, heated seats, climate control access, and a 12 volt port. The little cap is missing here. It looked like it broke off. There's your third row. So the seat's 7 total. Got a great set of tires on it. Looks like a good amount of tread left. Power lift gate. Some storage in here. And then you got another 12 volt port here. You have power release second row. I already dropped the left, but I'll just show you what the right does here. Or I'm sorry, the left there. You can fold those up. And then third row, you can drop those and raise them back up. And you got the button here. Okay, now I'm going to do a walk around on the actual condition of the vehicle. There are a few things to be noted. Nothing crazy. Might be really hard to see, but starting from here all the way to here is a small key mark or a scratch of some sort. I don't know if you can see that in the video. You know, a couple little more scratches here. Some little chips in the paint. Here's another scratch. Maybe 10 inches or so. I don't know if you can see that. Actually, I'm sorry, it goes all the way down here. So let's widen that. So it starts here and ends at the end of the door. So either a key or something got a hold of it, and just a little bit here. And then it goes all the way up the fender. I'm gonna say it's a key mark. It's probably what it is. It looks like somebody walked down it and kind of slightly keyed it. It's not super deep. A lot of that probably can come out with wet sanding and buffing it out. But it is there, just so you know. There is a gash here that was then touched up by the previous owner. Some grazing here on the paint just a little bit, as well as right here. This is something kind of grazed this. It's missing a little bit of paint there. Some of that can buff out as well, but not all of it. There's a little ding here. Everything else on this side looks good. Small little scuff here that's been touched up. Couple more small scuffs on this side. Guess the main thing would just be this key mark. Like I said, it kind of just goes all the way down the side. Not super deep, but it is there. Other than that though, it's in great shape. The inside's really nice. Smells good, non-smoker. If you have any questions, give us a call.